In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import charts of accounts in Zoho Books, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Let's dive right in and start from the Zoho Books dashboard to get you on your way. First off, make sure you're on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is the starting point for our journey today. Once you're there, shift your focus to the Accountant tab. Think of this tab as your gateway to a host of accounting features that Zoho Books has to offer. So, go ahead and click on Accountant. Your mission right now is to locate the Chart of Accounts option. Consider this your central hub for managing all of your financial records, which makes it the perfect place to begin our import process. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts area, you'll notice a highlighted section that naturally draws your attention. This is your cue to move forward with the next important step. By clicking on this highlighted area, you're stepping ever closer to that crucial import function. The task now is to find and click on the Import Chart of Accounts button. This action takes you right to the import interface where the main part of our work will take place. As you enter the Import Chart of Accounts section, stay on track by clicking another highlighted guide. This keeps you aligned with the process and ensures that you remain on the right path. When prompted, click on the Next button to proceed. Now we're getting into the details where you need to meticulously map specific account details. Begin by clicking on Account Name to ensure that the names of the accounts in your import file align perfectly with those in the system within Zoho Books. Following that, select Account Code to accurately identify your accounts using their respective codes. Next, you'll want to tend to the Description field. Here, you can input any additional information about each account that might be useful. Moving forward, it's time to sort the account type by selecting whether your accounts are assets, liabilities, or perhaps equity. This distinction is crucial for maintaining clear and structured financial records. If mileage is something you need to account for, click on Mileage Rate and Mileage Unit, and make sure to check Is Mileage to categorize accounts appropriately for mileage purposes. As you progress, you'll also map fields like account number, currency, and parent account. These settings are vital for establishing a clear hierarchical relationship among various accounts. As we approach the final stages of this process, ensure that you specify starting financial details by clicking on Opening Balance. This is important for defining the initial state of your accounts. Also determine the balance nature by selecting debit or credit, ensuring that each account's flow and operations are effectively managed. Lastly, check that all fields are properly placed and set up. Click Next to let the Zoho Book system process the imported data based on your configurations. Doing this will streamline your financial management activities significantly. With these steps, your chart of accounts should now be imported successfully, allowing you to focus once again on the core functionalities within Zoho Books. Thank you for staying with us, and I hope this guide has elevated your efficiency in utilizing Zoho Books for all your accounting needs.